This video is going to be going over how to save a favorite in the Paramont application. So the first thing you're going to do is want to get the cameras in the order that you'd like, right? So I'm going to go here to my live view. I can drag and drop and position the cameras wherever I'd like on the screen by just dragging and dropping the cameras, and the cameras will move to that corresponding order. This saving a favorite is great if you have the cameras in a specific order that you'd like. Or let's say you have all outside cameras, you want all the outside cameras to show up on one view. You can do that. You can also alternate which cameras in the box if one of the cameras are not showing currently in one of your corresponding boxes. So you can highlight the box and put in a corresponding camera into that box. The gray ones are the ones that are not being viewed currently. So I can go ahead here and switch my cameras once I put a teal box around the corresponding box that I'd like to put another camera in. These are going to be based on the channel numbers. Now you can also switch it so it's the camera names by hitting this icon here, and it's going to show you actually the camera names as you have them saved on your NVR. Okay, and then you can highlight the box for the corresponding camera and put another box that's gray, another camera in the box that's gray here and not listed. So here I put my PTZ camera in this box. Now I have the cameras in an order that I'd like. And I'd like the application to save this as a favorite. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and hit the three dots here in the bottom right. You're going to click on Add Favorites, and you can hit the plus sign here, and it'll save a favorite. Okay, it'll put that camera into the favorites for you. And another thing that you can do as well is when you hit your Add Favorites, you can actually hold where it says the name of your group, and you can name your group. Okay, so you can go ahead and create a name for it if you'd like. And now those cameras, as I have them exactly in this order, are in this demo group that I have saved. Now, let's say I move my cameras around or I screwed something up and I wanted a different camera listed uh, somewhere. And, now I have four cameras viewing and I want to go ahead and pull up my favorite. The way I do that is I'll hit the three dots again, go to Add Favorites, and I'll hit the play button on my corresponding group. And what that's going to do is it's going to play that favorite. It's going to pull the cameras up exactly in the order that I had them. Now, another step of this is if you go to the menu for the application and you'd like the application to launch this favorite every time you open up the application, you can do that as well. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and click on the local button from your menu, and then you're going to go down and where it says launch setting. Right now, I have it set to play last preview channels. That means, however I close the application, it's going to open up with those same exact cameras that I last viewed. But you can actually switch this by clicking on launch setting, and I can switch it so that it will play one of my favorite groups. So if I want to play the group that I just created, I will select that demo group. And now when I go back here, you'll notice it says play favorite group. And when I close out of the application and open it at any point in time, it's going to automatically launch with the group that I have saved. And that's it. It's that simple to save your favorites.